And big news coming in from the state of Haryana. Fresh development in the Namaz row in the state. In fact, now the Chief Minister ML Khattar has jumped into the controversy and has said that Namaz in open spaces are not going to be tolerated. He, however, added that there is no problem in offering Namaz or Puja at the designated places, and he has directed the police to resolve the issue.
पुलिस को भी कहा है, हमारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर को भी कहा है कि इस विषय को रिजॉल्व करना है और रिजॉल्व करने में हर कोई अपनी जगह पर कोई नमाज पढ़ता है, कोई पाठ करता है, कोई पूजा तत्परता करता है, उसमें हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और ये सारी चीज धार्मिक स्थल इसीलिए बने होते हैं कि वहां जाकर के करें। खुले में ऐसा कार्यक्रम नहीं होना चाहिए। ये नमाज पढ़ने की जो प्रथा यहाँ खुले में हुई है, ये कतई भी सहन नहीं की जाएगी, लेकिन इसमें से उन साथ बैठ करके एमिकेबल सोल्यूशन निकाला जाएगा।
That was Haryana Chief Minister ML Khattar, of course, spelling out his government's stand clearly for the first time since protests began in the city of Gurugram 2 months ago. In fact, he has said that the practice of offering namaz in the open will not be tolerated, and at the same time he added that an amicable solution is needed to be found. In fact, he was in the city to chair a meeting of Gurugram Metropolitan Development Authority when he gave this comment. In fact, Gurpreet Singh Chinna is on the phone line to give more details in this. So, Gurpreet, the kind of comment and the statement that has been given by Haryana Chief Minister ML Khattar is going to just escalate the entire row furthermore.
Well, yes, of course. A lot of political reactions are coming the way the Chief Minister of Haryana, ML Khattar, has given the statement. The statement was very clear, which the Chief Minister has given. He's saying that they will not allow the Muslim community to hold and pray anywhere, and they are allowed to hold prayer only in masjids. So after that, we have seen that a lot of political reactions are coming out, and a lot of criticism is also going on from the various political parties. But what we have learned from the BJP leaders, they say for the last so many months, we have seen that a lot of clashes have been happening. So some of the leaders, they also say it seems that under the pressure of the Hindu community, because a lot of protests were being held by that Hindu community there. So this could be one of the reasons that this strong statement has been given by the Haryana Chief Minister ML Khattar. But let's see that how the Haryana government is looking this statement, because a lot of reactions are coming after this statement.
Right. Thank you, Gurpreet, for sharing all those details.